Hi, my name is Roisin.
Hello, my name is Eimear.
And today we're going to show you some gardening. So, what you're going to use is, we're going to use some recycled materials. Egg cartons, plastic cups, tinfoil cups.
And if you don't have any of those, you use a plastic small bag.
So, first, you get your soil and put it into whatever you're moving. Make sure you have enough for your seed. Eimear, you say the next step.
And you have to water it and give it lots of sunshine. And always make sure you put a seed in, or else it won't grow. Next, you make a hole with your finger, just like that. And then you put one seed into it. You can use any seed, just like
But
this
we're
one.
making sunflowers.
So we're adding a sunflower seed.
You can eat these.
And you can put as many as you want. If you want to grow a big one.
Next, you dig it back up with your finger. Make sure the entire seed is covered. And don't forget to water it and give it sunshine every single day. This is a potato that I planted last week. You can even see the roots coming up from here. And look at the stem that it made. If your children are very small, just put lots and lots of soil in a base and let them just dig it up themselves.